Hello guys, so it's me again, it's your boy Ole King Jesla. King Jesla, don't worry about nothing. So today I'm going to teach you uh, worship drum tutorial. Yes, worship drum tutorial. And I've been cut-headed. My head has been cutted down, so let me recut my head down.
Castrate.
Yeah, so I'm going to teach you some. It's simple, obvious. Worship drum. There are too many ways of playing worship, but I'll start with the basic one. It's the 4/4 drum beats. Like so, I'll go straight. So we'll start with our hi-hat. This one is called the hi-hat. So we hit. That's our bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, tukigonga 1, 2, 3, 4. On the snare, we hit the snare at 2 and 4. So 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's our snare and our hi-hat. So now we are including our kick. Our kick will go together with the hi-hat in 1. Then we'll do it again. Tutakuwa tunaziingiza baadaye. So I'll start with the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. The snare 1. The snare we are playing a quarter note. So when I say a quarter note, what I mean is that, see, quarter is 1/4. So the four that is down there is what we are hitting here. 1, 2, 3. So that's called the quarter note. Say the quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare 1, 1, 2. Now let's increase the tempo a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare 1. Another tuongeze the tempo. 1. Just simple. Now we are going to advance kidogo hapo kwa hi-hat. We are going to do 8th note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. eighth note here on the hi-hat, you are hitting 8 times. That's the simplest way of playing worship. Yes, on your hi-hat you can still add 16th note. 2, 3, 4, 1. That's 32 notes. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. So you can try, and in case ushindo mahali, just tell me. I'll give you another type of drumming.
Ili